Namaste friends, my name is Nisha Thakur and I am a maths online tutor. In this series we are doing polynomials, functions and their graphs. So in this section we study polynomial functions of any degree, but before we work with polynomial function we must agree on some terminology. So polynomial functions, it means a polynomial function of degree n is a function of the form this a n x to the power n plus a n minus 1 x to the power n minus 1 to a1x plus a0. So where n is a non-negative integer and a n not equal to 0. The numbers a0, a1, a2, an are called the coefficient of the polynomials. These an minus 1, a1, a0, here middle also. The number a0 is the constant coefficient or constant term. This one. The number an, the coefficient of the highest power, is the leading coefficient, and the term an x to the power n is leading term. Here is an example. Here given a polynomial which leading term is 3x to the power 5. Its degree 5 because highest power is 5. X to the power highest power is 5, and its leading coefficient is 3. Here of this polynomial coefficients are 3, 6, minus 2, 1, 7, minus 6. And constant term is minus 6. Here are some more examples of polynomials. Px is equal to 3. Here degree 0 because no x, it means x to the power 0. Qx is equal to 4x minus 7. Here power 1, that's why degree 1. Here x square plus x, here highest power is 2, so degree 2. And here 2x cube minus 6x square minus 10. So here high x to the highest power is 3, that's why its polynomial degree is 3. If a polynomial consists of just a single term, then it is called a monomial. For example, px is equal to x to the power 3 and qx is equal to minus 6x to the power 5 are monomials because here only one term. Here we will discuss about graphing basic polynomial functions. So the graphs of polynomials of degree 0 or 1 are lines, and the graphs of polynomials of degree 2 are parabolas. The greater the degree of a polynomial, the more complicated its graph can be. However, the graph of a polynomial function is continuous. This means that the graph has no breaks, no holes, and moreover, the graph of a polynomial function is a smooth curve. That is, it has no corners, no sharp point, which is called cusps. Can you see in this graph here breaks and hole? So this is not a graph of a polynomial function. Here corners and cusp, this is sharp point, so that's why this is not a graph of a polynomial function. And here can you see this is smooth and continuous, so these graphs of a polynomial function. Here no break, no hole, no corner, no cusp. When degree is 1, so that time this is a this graph is a line. If function is y is equal to x square, that time we get parabola, and y equal x to the power 3 cubic, that time this type of graph. If y equal x to the power n, and n is even, so graph in the shape of parabola. And here even number increase, so graph more flatter around the origin and steeper elsewhere. Here you can see y equal if n is odd number, so graph y equal x cube like this, and means odd number increases, so graph here flatter around the origin and steeper elsewhere. Now transformations of monomials, and here is today's question, is case the graph of the following functions. So transformations of graph we already learned, and you can watch my earlier videos. And if you have these graphing knowledge and here these informations, so you can easily graph. So first questions, px is equal to minus x to the power 3, and we know that y equal x to the power 3 graph is like this. So the graph of px is equal to minus x to the power 3 is the reflection of the graph of y equal x cube in the x-axis, and the graph is like this. So y equal x cube is this, and and px is equal to minus x cube is this red one. Okay, this is the reflection of this one in the x-axis. Now b question, qx is equal to my x minus 2 to the power 4. So here even power, it means this is the shape in parabola like this. Okay, and when means here actually exact this one, y equal x to the power 4, this is more flatter here in the origin. So x minus 2 to the power 4, it means this graph shift 2 unit right side. So x to the power 4 is this type of graph, and this shift 2 unit right side, so this red one. Now see question, Rx is equal to minus 2 x to the power 5 plus 4. So here odd power, it means like this graph. Okay, and this is y equal x to the power 5. So our graph here actually minus 2 x to the power 5. So here multiply minus 2, it means is obtained by stretching the graph vertically and reflecting it in the x-axis. And here plus 4, it means graph shift 4 unit upside. So this is the graph of minus x to the power 5, and this is here this one minus 2x to the power 5 plus 4. This is shift 4 unit upside. So I hope now these questions are easier for you. But if you have any doubt, please ask me. And if you liked my video, so please like, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Bye. Have a nice time.